Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of AdMat Show with Sanya Malhotra. We have Rupanshi and Ayushman with us, and in this episode हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे कि students को अगर advertising agencies में आना है तो how should they go ahead about it and what should they do. So basically, I am a student right now. I am in my final year. I would like to ask कि what is the simple process जिसकी वजह से आप जिसके थ्रू आप एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज में एंटर कर सकते हैं एंड व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज जो एम्प्लॉयर देखता है हमारे अंदर, मतलब क्या प्रिपेयर करके रखना चाहिए. हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रेस समवन इफ आई एम गोइंग फॉर अ इंटरव्यू इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग.
Nice way to put it.
I think Ayushman should go first. He must be hiring more people than me right now.
So usually the stuff which I look for, obviously I get a bunch of emails all throughout the day. Not just emails, LinkedIn पे भी मुझे बहुत लोग approach करते हैं. The students who are studying in DU, at IGNOU, at whatever, and obviously portfolio is king. That is the first thing that I look for. Now you might think कि अगर college का बच्चा तो portfolio क्या ही होगा. बट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर स्टफ जो कि यू मतलब बहुत सारे लोग अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन्स लिखते हैं, बनाते हैं, वट एवर. आई एम लुकिंग फॉर स्टफ विच यू थिंक यू इफ मतलब अगर कल को बोलूँ अगर तुम कोई ऐड बनाना चाहते हो तो तुम क्या लिखोगे. दैट्स द स्टफ विच आई वांट टू लुक फॉर. आई वांट टू सी हाउ योर माइंड वर्क्स. आई वांट टू सी कि अगर ये तुम्हें कॉलेज ने ब्रीफ नहीं दिया होता तुम खुद से तुम क्या ऐड लिखना चाहते हो. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ कि तुम्हें खुद कितना ड्राइव है टू लाइक मतलब फॉर क्रिएटिविटी, फॉर पुटिंग योर वॉइस आउट इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू सी. पीपल दे मतलब दे सेंड मी लॉट ऑफ स्टफ एंड actually frankly it's quite a kind of sad कि they send me presentations. Their presentations are top notch, like font से लेके placement से लेके color से लेके brilliant stuff. But then I look at the stuff which they have written or they have made, yeah,
Okay.
it's really underwhelming. So that's portfolio is king. That's the main thing which I'm looking for. When it comes to how you can get into advertising agencies, I think we still live in a world, since this industry is not that big, cold approach still works. I won't say I've personally hired many people, but I have heard lot of people, a lot of teams जहाँ पे trainees आए, they have gotten through cold approaches. It's not necessarily आप HR को करो. You can look at a particular senior CD in the industry and even emails to him work. I mean, if your stuff is really good, it will catch his eye and they will look to hire you, especially when you are at a stage मतलब अगर आप college में हो. So yeah.
I also when I was applying, I remember I've done LinkedIn DMs to a lot of senior people in the industry. So a lot of them will reply and then you will crack maybe an internship role with them. And once you start off as an intern, it's like a clear way for you. So I think the easiest is you talk to them, you tell them why do you want to be a copywriter, ask for internships. I think that mehnat everyone should do. I'll say text 50 people at least. Some of them will reply, talk to you, listen to you, maybe look at your portfolio.
Yeah.
What he's saying na कि once someone senior sees your portfolio, they will be able to guide you better कि नहीं आपने इसमें चीज़ें नहीं डाली हैं. So that is there.
Okay.
And copy test is one thing that a lot of people are still not aware that you have to take copy tests in order to get into ad agencies, which again is a good exercise because that tells us that how the person is thinking and current clients में कैसा fit है, culture fit है कि नहीं, tonality कैसी है उस इंसान की, craft कैसा है. all of that copy test is there. Yeah.
It's not a very big industry. It's like not that hard to get into.
Yeah.
Actually, and it's not just about copy test. Sometimes the stuff that you put in your portfolio, many agencies, they do very different kinds of work. Like even two mainline agencies nowadays don't put out the same kind of work. So if you're a student and you've put in your stuff and you've submitted it to somewhere and that person says ki sorry, you're not a good fit for an agency, many times it's not because your stuff is bad, it's because the tone of voice you have that does not fit within the agency. Like that is not how the agency speaks. So for example, you should then not look for like these big reputed mainline agencies. You could go to a boutique agency or a smaller digital agency which जिनका काम और ज़्यादा फाड़ होता है, and maybe the stuff that you write that fits well within this tone of voice. So I mean, it's nothing to feel sad about if you get rejected, in my opinion.
Okay, so I am a student. I am a journalism student, but I want to go into advertising. ठीक है. सो देयर आर पीपल जो जिनका बैकग्राउंड कुछ और होता है पर फिर उनको एकदम से पता चलता है वाओ ये तो बहुत कूल काम है, मेरे को भी करना है, एंड देन दे वांट टू ट्राई फॉर इट. सो जिनके पास कोई बैकग्राउंड नहीं है एडवर्टाइजिंग का, हाउ शुड दे बिल्ड अ पोर्टफोलियो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? मतलब पोर्टफोलियो में क्या क्या चीज़ें नेसेसरी होती है? व्हाट इज द वन थिंग दैट कैचेज एवरीवन्स आई? एंड मतलब बेसिक्स क्या होते हैं गुड पोर्टफोलियो के जिसको देख के आप बोलोगे हाँ आई वांट टू हायर दिस पर्सन?
आई थिंक अगेन बिकॉज आपके पास रियल ब्रीफ्स नहीं है, आप बहुत सारे स्पेक एड्स पे काम कर सकते हो. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज अप्लाइंग फॉर एन इंटर्नशिप, उनका जो कॉपी टेस्ट था, उन लोगों ने सारे आइकॉनिक एड्स दिए थे और आपको बोला था कि राइट मोर वेरिएशंस ऑफ दैट आइकॉनिक एड. तो देयर इज़ लाइक दिस इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का बहुत फेमस एड जिसमें मिड कॉपी प्लॉट चेंज हो जाता है. तो दे आस्क्ड अस टू राइट 3 more वेरिएशंस ऑफ दैट एड. दैट्स अ वेरी कॉमन ईजी एक्सरसाइज. कोई भी बहुत आइकॉनिक प्रिंट एड या कोई भी सोशल मीडिया एड उठाओ, आप उसके 4 वेरिएशंस लिख दो अपने पोर्टफोलियो में. वेरी सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. अदर देन दैट यू कैन मे बी brands that you personally like. I'm sure आपका कोई brand होगा which you really like as a person.
I love 5-star. 5-star and Cadbury is like on top. I can just watch their ads for like days. मतलब it was a great campaign when that malfunction happened, the packaging malfunction, जब उसमें worms वगैरह निकले थे, and Amitabh Bachchan just, it was so cleverly crafted that they knew कि भाई अमिताभ बच्चन की एक अच्छी रेपुटेशन है, पीपल बिलीव हिम, एंड ही वॉज नोन फॉर थिंग्स लाइक दैट, जैसे पोलियो के लिए एवरीथिंग. अमिताभ बच्चन वॉज नोन ऐसा क्रेडिबल सोर्स, अगर ये कह रहा है तो सही कह रहा होगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे टुक अमिताभ बच्चन, दे शोड द फैक्ट्री एंड एवरीथिंग. इट वॉज वेरी क्लेवर. एंड अदर देन दैट द इमोशन दे बिल्ड, ऑल द वाली advertisement of Cadbury, it's just amazing. You always find something new and it's never repetitive, though the thought is same, kuch meetha ho jaye. It's so amazing. I am just fascinated by that.
Brands like that, I would ask you ki the brands, see, you are so passionate when you're talking about those brands, you really like the work. I would say take your spin on it. Nahi hoga sahi, try writing an ad for it, try writing an outdoor for it, put it in your portfolio, because aap apply, I would say first 2 years of your advertising are to learn. तो मैं वैसे भी एज अ मैनेजर आपका स्किल ऐसा नहीं देखूंगी कि हाई लेवल स्किल है. आई वुड सी कि हाउ मच यूर ईगर टू लर्न, हाउ मच यूर ईगर टू अंडरस्टैंड, हाउ क्रिएटिवली डू यू थिंक, इवन इफ वो सही एड नहीं है, क्रिएटिवली कैसे सोच रहे हो. तो या इट वुड बी गुड इनफ फॉर मी टू गिव यू अ चांस. एंड अगेन आई एम सेइंग स्टार्ट ऑफ विद इंटर्नशिप्स. इतना कुछ पोर्टफोलियो नहीं मांगेगा कोई इंटर्नशिप्स में. यू कैन देन डिस्कवर कि एडवर्टाइजिंग में भी कहाँ जाना है, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स पीपल आर कंफ्यूज्ड कि स्ट्रैटेजी में जाना है, कॉपी में जाना है, सर्विसिंग में जाना है. टेक अप एन इंटर्नशिप एंड फिगर आउट.
At the end of the day, advertising is creativity, and the stuff with मतलब you will try out your spec ads and you might feel it's good, you might feel it's bad, but I mean किसने बोला है कभी? मतलब अभी तुम बाहर देखो, बुरी चीजें छपती हैं और अच्छी चीजें रह जाती है. बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है. नॉट सेइंग दैट्स ऑलवेज द केस, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे क्रिएटिविटी इज सब्जेक्टिव. बट वो क्रिएटिविटी इज ऑल्सो, इट्स नॉट अ हार्ड स्किल, बट इट्स समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू ट्रेन योर माइंड फॉर. सो मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि सुबह 6 बजे उठ के पढ़ने बैठ जाओ. दैट्स नॉट हाउ दिस वर्क्स. हाउ इट वर्क्स इज कि काम देखते जाओ. Like go through ads for hours in a day, maybe not hours, that's a bit too much, at least that's what I used to do, but go through ads all the time, like print ads, commercials, DVCs, activation ideas. The more you see, the more you'll understand the criteria and the bar ki this is good work, this is what's supposed to be good work, this is what's supposed to be mediocre work, this is what's supposed to be bad work. That's when तुम्हारा दिमाग भी खुलता है, and you then think of कि अच्छा ये उन्होंने ऐसे किया, इसको ऐसे भी तो कर सकते थे, ये उन्होंने क्यों नहीं सोचा. And you won't get that unless you start seeing stuff daily. And that's how basically you get your creative juices flowing, if you ask.
That is a very good point कि अगर आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हो या एजेंसी को अप्रोच कर रहे हो, you can't be clueless कि I don't know कि ये किसने क्या काम किया, बेस्ट एड्स किया है. You should at least start off with watching some good ads, read about them, have a basic knowledge. क्योंकि अगर आपको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, I can't judge you on anything. Watch some good ads, read some good copy ads. पुराना काम देखो, नया काम देखो. that is
So,
there.
do you guys have any sources जहाँ पे हमें ये सब available मिल जाएगा, like a book or a website where you can find good ads or something like that? Anything that can help students to gather and like watch a lot of ads and understand what the industry is going and making.
So वैसे
If you are into books, I would say absolutely still this day it is necessary, absolutely necessary you go through the copybook. Another, if I had to add one more book to that, I think she also swears by it. Hey Whipple Squeeze This. It's
a
a
very nice book.
brilliant book, and it's not specifically about copywriting. It's about creative fields in general. So that is necessary. And apart from books, I would say I mean, YouTube is filled with ads. You just
Yeah.
put on a compilation and it shows you all the ads of 5-star throughout the years. It shows you all ads for Google throughout the years. The world is an oyster. मतलब इंटरनेट का सही इस्तेमाल करोगे तो
there are places like एक तो again Mad Over Marketing, there's a page, like there are a lot of pages, Mad Over Marketing, Social Samosa, you follow them, you know basic trends. Then there's a website called Brocat School. उनके पास proper archive of library of all the ads, histories, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, तो you can go check out that Brocat School का page as well. Apart from that, again कुछ iconic brands है जैसे Zomato, like I'm talking about really beginners, वैसे तो सबको पता होता है, like Zomato है, IKEA है, Google है, Apple है. Check out सबका काम regularly, like the good brands, उनका काम आप regular check out करते रहो, वो खुद के लिए आपके लिए directory है. या
Okay, so last thing I want to ask you, you mentioned about the copy test. So how do one prepare about copy test and what is it like? Because once I went for an internship, it was in Radio Mirchi, I guess, some radio station.
Yeah.
I went back in like second year, so I don't remember clearly.
Yeah.
But it was some radio station I went for and they gave me a test and it was like, if you were a tree, what tree would you be? Does these kind of questions are like copy test question, or what is it like to give a copy test, and how does a person, how can a person prepare for a copy test? Because अब मैं कौन सा पेड़ हूँ इससे कैसे पता चलेगा तुम्हें मैं कितनी क्रिएटिव हूँ, is something I am like.
So I was just telling a friend that day about this question.
Yeah.
कि I had a question in copy test which said that can you sell sand to a camel? So that is the question. How will you sell sand to a camel? And another question was sell the color red to a blind person. तो ऐसे question भी होते हैं copy test में.
But that really मतलब ये आप जो आप बोल रहे हो वो क्रिएटिविटी दिखा रहा है. मतलब अब अगर कैमल को सैंड बेचनी है तो उसके लिए आपको क्रिएटिविटी चाहिए, पर मैं कौन सा पेड़ बनूंगी?
नहीं so because then you would know yourself.
Yeah.
I would test कि तुम्हें how well do you know yourself, how creatively have you presented it. For example, if you think that you are really peaceful, so you called yourself a banyan tree. Yeah, you called yourself a coconut tree because coconut is related to Goa and chilling. So अगर तुम coconut tree बोलोगे, I'll be impressed कि oh wow, she did not think A to B. She went to coconut tree and उसको उसने peace से connect कर दिया. So how madly you're capable of thinking.
So can you give like few more examples of the questions that come in copy test that would be helpful for the people who are trying to apply?
एक classic trope होता है iconic taglines का alternative, ये almost हर copy test में होता है.
Okay.
McDonald's का alternative लिखो. तो that is something आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो, आप खुद से try करते रहो. Get some mentor to check it also. That is one iconic trope.
If the role is a bit ambitious, they will obviously also ask you to devise a full campaign. कि आप खुद से एक पूरा digital campaign लिखो वगैरह वगैरह. But almost every time I've seen the copy tests end with a question like that. If you were a tree, what kind of a tree you would be? And that's for most cases that's an optional question. But I personally feel those questions are one of the most important because यार brief तो तुम crack कर लोगे, तुम ये सब तो तुम लिख लोगे. It's basically Jordan Belfort saying कि sell this pen to me, sell my pen to me, right? These questions are really about how your mind thinks, because I am really glad that people in this industry exist who want to see mentors who want to see how your mind works. Because they मतलब कल को अगर वो तुम्हें हायर करे, they know best where to put you. They know where to put you if they want to put you in a brand like that or like that or like that, because they will only get to know that if they see how you think about things, how you think about people, how you think about stuff, what are your general thoughts and opinions about stuff. That's I think it's more important to me than the briefs you crack on the
Yeah.
copy test.
बिकॉज मुझे लग रहा है जो कॉपी टेस्ट चेक कर रहे हैं, हायर कर रहे हैं, दे नो दैट द न्यू पर्सन विल नॉट हैव द स्किल्स, विल नॉट know how to do it. They are just actually looking at how much of a creative spin you're giving to things. तुम insight कैसा पकड़ रहे हो, तुम creatively कैसा सोच रहे हो. They're just concerned about that. उनको पता है they'll have to train you. So I don't think so they're looking for skills or great lines or anything. They're just looking for how much, you know, you're able to, you know, जितना भी आता है उससे how much you're able to tweak things, twist things, have fun with the copy test.
चैट
so yeah.
जीपीटी से तुम ब्रीफ तो क्रैक करा लोगे, लेकिन चैट जीपीटी से पूछना व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रीप
but I have been hearing that people like use pura chat GPT to crack copy tests.
Yeah.
Which shouldn't be
The
the case, because I also believe कि first 2 साल तो you shouldn't be using chat GPT because you will become dependent on it.
Yeah.
वरना आप वो skill develop करो. Like I remember writing 50 lines initially. 100 lines लिख रहे हो तब जाके एक select हो रहा है. So you should do that in order to be using chat GPT a few years later.
So to impress someone in advertising agency, I just have to show my personality and I will be selective if I am
Thinking.
interested enough.
You're
interesting
thinking.
enough.
You're thinking.
Yeah. If I show them ki bhai, this is my personality and this is how I think,
Yeah.
there are like good chances that I get in.
I know a girl who got hired in the previous agency I was working in based on her reels. She would make, again, reels सब बना रहे हैं, but उसकी reels would be really funny and insightful. तो she just got hired based on her reels. काम वाम उसने बाद में सीखा है. तो again, because उसकी reels में कुछ you know बोलते हैं कि advertising language में कीड़ा था, कुछ twitch था कि ओ कुछ तो हो रहा है इसमें.
लिखना तुम्हें कोई भी सिखा देगा, लेकिन ये
Yeah.
So guys, they gave you like magic mantra how to get into advertising. Just be open to creativity, have fun, and just show your personality because they are actually hiring people. They are not hiring robots.
Yeah.
So just be like that, be simple and be creative with your work and you will be there. I hope this podcast helped you a lot in knowing ki advertising agency work kaise karti hai, what is the scope and how is AI used. I hope it was helpful. Thank you and see you next time.
bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.